Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. I'd love for you to subscribe if you haven't already. But today I wanted to just do a video and show you guys how I've organized our small bathroom, just to give you maybe some ideas for your own home. I know everyone's homes are different and everyone's needs for their spaces are different, but I love these kinds of videos because I pretty much always get an idea of something that I could do in my own space, in my own home. So yeah, I'm just gonna go through our bathroom and show you a couple little areas that I've organized, and maybe it will give you an idea for your own space. So I'll just start out with an overview of our bathroom. This is our main bathroom. It is pretty small, as you can see. That is just what it looks like. That's pretty much it. We have a tub. It's a pretty big tub for this space. I feel like it takes up too much room in the bathroom, honestly. I wish it was smaller, but yeah, this is pretty much what I'm working with in here. So the first thing I want to show you is in our shower. I have a little hack in here that I'm kind of excited about. So this is our shower, and as you can see, we have one of these shower heads with the handheld thing that like you can pull down, and it has this like rope or whatever, I don't know what you call that, but it hangs down and it blocks the space where you would normally hang like a shower caddy, like you'd hang it off the top there and put all your little things in there. Well, I can't do that because that's in the way. So what I came up with was to take my shower caddy and hook it to the back wall of the shower with command hooks. These are like the ones that can be used in the shower. They can get wet and humid and stuff. And this has been hanging here for months now and it hasn't budged. I do have it hanging up with two, one on each side, but it's working really well. But I just have some of our little things in here. Like I have all of our loofahs hanging down here. I have a hair clip that I use when I'm washing my hair, face wash, my razor is in here, and then I have Chase's one little bath toy that he plays with and his bath cup that I use to rinse him with, and then I can just put this in here upside down and let it drip dry. And yeah, I just love this. It gives me a spot to put some little things that I wouldn't have a spot for otherwise. We do have two like little corner shelf thingies in here where I keep a couple things, like my body wash is up there, and I just have a little thing of lavender oil. I like to smell that in the shower sometimes. Maybe that's weird, but it's a really relaxing scent to me, so sometimes at the end of the day, if I'm like super stressed out, I'll just twist the cap off and I'll just like smell it while I'm in the shower. So I have that there. And yeah, just our shampoos and body washes and that kind of stuff is stuck in the corners. So that's just my little hack for getting a shower caddy into your shower when you don't really have a spot to put a shower caddy. Next, I'll just show you how I organized under our bathroom sink. This is the only storage in the bathroom. It's just this one little cabinet. So I'll go ahead and show you what I've done in here. I have a couple little things to show you. So at first glance, this is what it looks like. And I only keep in here things that we use every day or pretty much every day. I do have another closet in the spare room. It's like an everything closet, like a linen closet. I keep a lot of stuff in there. I have a lot of other bathroom stuff that I keep in there because I'd never be able to fit everything in this bathroom. So yeah, if I didn't have that closet, I'd have to figure something else out. Maybe like a cabinet in our half bathroom upstairs, or I could put some stuff because there's just not enough storage in this bathroom to keep everything under here. So to keep it organized and to keep it like easy access to everything, I only keep in here what we need to use all the time. So one thing I've done that I've really been liking is I added these baskets to the inside of the cabinet doors. I have two on this side and two on this side, and this is just stuff that we grab pretty much every day and it's just like easy to get to. So in this top one, I just have my deodorant and my glasses and Madison's toothpaste and toothbrush in that one. That way she doesn't have to go like digging around for it. It's just right here on the door for her. On this one, I have some hair ties, some of mine, some of Madison's, and then our hair brushes are on here. I feel like this is just a really good way to use this space here. You can hang other stuff on here, like you can get like bigger baskets and hang whatever you want to hang on the back of your doors, but using this space I feel like is such a good idea. And then down here, I just have it organized like this. As you can see, this is the best way that I found to organize it so far. I've had it like this for a while, but one thing that I did get was this drawer. I found this at Walmart. It's just a Sterilite, like one drawer thing. I think it's like called a shoebox or something, maybe, but I don't keep shoes in it. I keep some bathroom stuff in it. So I have my face wipes, I have some floss things, my face brush that I use sometimes. I probably don't need to keep that in here because I don't use it all the time. And I have like a little cup full of Q-tips. So this is all stuff, again, that I use every day. And then I just have this white basket, and you can get these anywhere. Walmart, Target sells baskets like this. But in here I just have some hair stuff, like bathroom spray, my dry shampoo. I use that all the time. Just like things that I use all the time, and some of like Madison's like hairspray thing is back there too. But I just keep that all in here, all standing up, and I can see what's in there and I can grab what I need easily. That's one of my things. I like to be able to see things. I don't like containers where they're like closed or like not see-through. I like to be able to see what's in things. And then I have this basket right here, and I couldn't figure out for a long time what I wanted to do with our little bath towels. I did have them like just stacked somewhere, either here or over here for a while, but they kept like falling over, and I just like to keep things like in containers. So I had this basket and I decided to just fold them and stick them in here. So I have towels that the kids use when they take baths and not washing their face and stuff, and just some girly things that I grab all the time too. Tissue boxes in here. Then I just keep some spare toilet paper tucked in the back here, and I also keep my cleaner and a roll of paper towels, like a skinny roll. Whenever we're getting low on the paper towels in the kitchen, I'll save it to put it in the bathroom. I like to keep my cleaners in the bathroom. That way, whatever I feel like cleaning, it's right in here, and I don't have to like run into another room and grab the cleaner and paper towels. It's just like right here. Then I just have this candle that I just started using it recently. I've had it for a while, but I got it back out again. It's just one of those stress relief candles, but it smells really good. So sometimes I'll burn that when I'm taking a shower. So I just stuck this right in the front here. And yeah, that is how I've organized under our bathroom cabinet. Another thing I'll show you real quick is just what I have tucked on the side of our toilet. This is a really small space, but I've managed to fit some things over here that I need to use all the time. So my toilet wand cleaner thing is back there. I have some Lysol wipes down there that I grab all the time, so I just stuck them down there in the corner. And then the kids' little step stool is just one of these ones from IKEA, but it's like the short one, and it fits perfectly right in the corner here. So I just keep that tucked back there. And then on this side, I have, this is like one of my favorite things that I ever bought from the Dollar Tree. It's one of these like foam like kneeler pads for, I think they had it with the garden stuff, but I use it when I'm giving Chase a bath. Like I'll just put it right here and I'll kneel on it because I'm old and I can't kneel on the hard floor anymore. So I have that, and I just tucked that right on the side here. And I guess the last thing to show you guys is just what I did with Chase's potty seat, since we recently got him a potty seat for the toilet, and I didn't really have anywhere in here to put it or hang it. Like I can't hang it on the, I don't know, I guess I could have put it here, but it's like too close to the toilet. So what I decided to do with it is to just take another command hook and just hook it to the back of the door. That way it's out of the way, we're not like bumping into it, because this bathroom is like so small. Like I felt like if I hung it over here, we would be hitting it with our towels and stuff when we got out of the shower. So I wanted to tuck it away. So I just took a command hook, stuck it to the tile, and hooked his little potty seat back there. And it's low, so he can grab it if he ever decides to, you know, use it and go on the potty. That's where it is. So yeah. And then since I mentioned it, this is the closet in our spare room where I keep a lot of other bathroom things and just a lot of random things in general. So I'll just give you guys a quick peek at what this looks like. But there it is. As you can see, it's packed full of a lot of stuff, but I feel like it's pretty organized. I do want to kind of do over this closet eventually. I have some ideas of how I want to make it like look a little bit nicer, so maybe that will be a video coming up. But yeah, as you can see, there's a lot of stuff in here that I would never be able to fit under our bathroom cabinet, so this is where all that stuff goes. That's pretty much it. It is a really small bathroom, so I don't have too many spaces to organize in here to show you, but I did just want to show you the couple of things that I was able to do in here, and I hope that maybe it's given you some ideas for your own spaces, maybe not even for your bathroom, maybe just ideas for other spaces in your home. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up for me. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. I'd love to have you here on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye.